How would you like to retire to a life of island hopping through smart blogging? We're going to get into it after this. Hey everybody, welcome to ProfitCopilot.com. My name is MEANEY and this is all about helping you to get better results online. And today's video is a little bit later than usual because I have been completely absorbed by this book. It's Blogging from Paradise, How to Retire to a Life of Island Hopping Through Smart Blogging by Biddulph. Now I'm super excited to get this book, and it comes in two flavors. One is physical and the other one is digital. Now I actually purchased the physical book because I like the feel of books. I'm not too into ebooks and Kindle. I prefer the real deal. So let me make it really clear that I purchased this myself. It wasn't a freebie. Ryan didn't ask me to do this. He doesn't even know I've got the book, and I'm not being paid to do this. I'm not making any affiliate commission or anything like that. So this is a book that I was genuinely really excited to purchase. And as you can see, it's about the same size as a graphic novel. It's about the same thickness as well. So it's a really quick and easy read. And I actually had a really hard time putting it down when it arrived today. It's a real page turner. It's about Ryan's journey from working as a security guard and not having much of a clue about the internet and blogging and that kind of thing. So how he went from being a security guard to becoming a professional blogger with a massive following online and really living the perfect lifestyle. He spends most of his time hopping around different islands around paradise and blogging about it. And that's what he's really selling here. It's the idea of the lifestyle and not the income claims. Now, there's a few areas where myself and Ryan share exactly the same values. And when it comes to income claims and that kind of thing, we are absolutely in perfect agreement that they set false expectations, and it really draws in the wrong type of audience, because if you're focusing on the income part of it, you're attracting people who are only concerned about the money and not about the lifestyle. And that's what he teaches. It's about creating a great lifestyle. So Ryan isn't a millionaire, not yet at least, but he still lives like one. And that's what the book is all about. It's helping you to get into that mindset and give you the tactical, practical tips that you need to start and grow a successful blog. I'm going to get into it in a bit more detail, because what I love about this, considering the topic that he's talking about, blogging from paradise, there's no hype in here. It's based firmly in reality, and he repeats that it takes years of persistence and hard work to achieve financial freedom through blogging. Okay, he's simplified the process and he boils it down to the most essential components, but the reality is it's going to take years of hard work to achieve it. And Ryan himself is a product of that. He is a perfect example of the grind of doing the work day in, day out over a consistent period of time. Everybody who is successful has followed that path, and that's the path you'll learn in this book. So let's get down into it. Let's have a look at the book. I want to read you the first line. Okay, this sets the scene. It's perfect. It's awesome copy. So he says, "I never dreamed I'd live this life. Across the street from me, in this moment, I can hear the Pacific Ocean gently lapping the beach." What a great scene that sets. Imagine that. So the rest of the book, well, the first portion of the book is really strongly focused on mindset. And I think that's really essential, because you need to get your beliefs in order. You need to get the right attitude, and you need to find your why. And Ryan will help you do that. It really makes it clear that this is important, because we need to know why we're doing it. Because this journey, if you go down the blogging road, it is going to be tough. And that's okay, because nothing worth having ever came easy, right? So during the tough periods, when you have self-doubt, and we all experience it, it's the why that's going to keep you going. And in addition to that, Ryan also covers the most common pitfalls that a lot of professional bloggers end up falling into. So this is going to help you to avoid making the mistakes that some other bloggers make. I'm talking about creating money but not freedom. We see a lot of bloggers doing that. So they are tied to the computer. They are churning out content round the clock. They are a slave to the machine. Ryan isn't that. He has the freedom, and he's going to show you how to get that freedom in addition to living this amazing lifestyle that he's managed to create for himself. As good as that sounds, he does reiterate several times the importance of being persistent, of networking, of having the right monetization strategy, of the right branding strategy. He talks about the importance of automation and about choosing the right topic for your blog. He covers passion, because this is essential. You need that passion, because it's the passion that you have for the why is what's going to sustain you through the rough patches. And when you blog about your passion, it's authentic, right? People can see that. They can see that you're being real. That's a topic that you genuinely care about, and therefore you will care about the people who consume your content, because they're just like you. You both have this shared passion, this common interest, and they will naturally become your friends, in addition to becoming your customers as well. Now, I think it's chapter 4 in this book. He covers the 2 C's, and I'm going to talk a little bit about that because this is really important. So it's create and connect, and it's how Ryan achieved his success by creating blog posts, videos, newsletters, ebooks. That's it. That's the creation element of everything he did, and then connecting with the right people. So he connected with other bloggers and thought leaders in his niche. And that's the real secret to Ryan's success. Just those 2 C's, create and connect. And with that in mind, he gives you loads of practical tips, strategies and tactics to help you achieve your success. I think if you're a new blogger or you're thinking about starting a blog, it's definitely one to check out. Also, if you've been blogging for a while and you're not getting the results that you expect, you're not making money, you're not growing a following, check it out. It's going to give you some actual hands-on practical tips to help you grow a following. For me personally, I think it is going to become a source of motivation. Ryan's blog posts that I've been reading for the last couple of years are exactly that anyway. Every time I feel a little bit down, or I feel like I need a pick-me-up, some inspiration or encouragement through my journey, I look at Ryan's content and I read his blog posts, and therefore that's why I purchased the book, is because he has already given me so much value that I feel like I owe the guy. And you know what? I do. And I think if you read his blog posts on Blogging from Paradise, you read the book, you'll feel exactly the same way too, because Ryan has built his success out of giving value, being of service to people just like me and you. I mean, I've been completely absorbed by it today. I find it motivational, it's inspiring, it's honest. And for me, it's going to be really useful when I need a bit of encouragement, when I need to refocus and remind myself of my why. And at the end of the day, it's one of the most engaging and captivating stories I've read. So I can't say enough good things about this book and Ryan's blog in general. Maybe you'll find it useful too. So check it out. It's a fantastic book. Check out Ryan's blog, bloggingfromparadise.com. If you want to grab this for yourself, bloggingfromparadise.com/ebook. I'm not earning an affiliate commission or being paid or anything like that. Ryan has got no idea what I'm doing today. He doesn't know I've bought this book, and I can recommend it. So if you are getting set up online, or maybe you've been going for a while and you want some more traffic, I'm going to give you loads of strategies you can use to get more organic traffic for free, and then I'm going to show you how to convert them into paying customers. And you can get that when you go to profitcopilot.com/join. Okay, if you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel too. I've got so much awesome stuff to give you just like this. I know you're absolutely going to love it, because me and you are going to get on like a house on fire. So thank you very much for checking this out. Remember to hit the little notification bell when you subscribe today, because that will notify you when I upload another video, which is going to be tomorrow. So thank you very much for checking this out. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Take care.